Heart attacks. We hear about them all the time. They seem like an unavoidable part of life. But what if I told you that many heart attacks could be prevented? And what if I told you that the best ways to prevent them are often the simplest and cheapest? This is the hidden truth about heart health. We're bombarded with ads for expensive medications and procedures, but we rarely hear about the power of lifestyle changes and affordable treatments. Why? The answer lies in a complex web of economics, media influence, and public perception. It's time to pull back the curtain and reveal the truth about heart attack prevention. Your health and your wallet will thank you. We need to start talking about the missing piece in the heart health puzzle: affordable and accessible prevention. It's time to empower ourselves with knowledge and take control of our cardiovascular well-being. Let's talk about the good news. Preventing heart attacks doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, some of the most effective methods are within everyone's reach. First up, aspirin. This little pill, taken in low doses daily, can work wonders. It helps thin the blood, making it less likely to clot and cause a heart attack. Talk to your doctor to see if aspirin therapy is right for you. Next, diet and exercise. These two go hand in hand. Focus on eating whole, plant-based foods, fruits, vegetables, legumes and whole grains. Get moving for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. These simple changes can dramatically reduce your risk. Finally, stress management. Chronic stress takes a toll on our hearts. Find healthy ways to cope, like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Here's the hard truth. Our healthcare system often prioritizes profit over prevention. Expensive drugs and procedures generate big money. Lifestyle changes and affordable medications, not so much. Drug companies spend billions marketing their latest and greatest heart medications. These ads are everywhere, shaping our perceptions of what constitutes good healthcare. But where are the ads for eating more vegetables or managing stress? The truth is, these simple, low-cost solutions don't make headlines or line pockets. They're often overlooked, even though they can be incredibly effective. It's a classic case of the squeaky wheel getting the grease. The loudest, most expensive treatments get the most attention. Section 4. Media matters: how news shapes our health choices. The media plays a powerful role in shaping public perception, including how we think about health. Headlines about breakthrough drugs and surgical techniques grab our attention. Stories about the benefits of walking or eating an apple? Not so much. This bias towards flashy, expensive treatments creates a distorted view of healthcare. It reinforces the idea that real medicine involves high-tech solutions and hefty price tags. It also downplays the importance of individual responsibility and lifestyle changes. The result? A public that's often unaware of the power and affordability of preventative measures. Section 5. Prevention on a budget. Spreading the word about affordable health. Promoting preventative health measures, especially affordable ones, is crucial. But it comes with its own set of challenges. First, prevention is often seen as less exciting than a cure. It's hard to get people excited about something that prevents a problem they don't have yet. Second, there's no single product to sell. Prevention involves a holistic approach that includes diet, exercise, stress management, and more. Finally, the very affordability of these measures can work against them. People often equate price with effectiveness, assuming that if it's cheap, it can't be that good. This misconception needs to be challenged. Section 6. Taking charge. Your heart, your health, your choices. Ultimately, taking control of your heart health starts with you. Don't wait for a wake-up call in the form of a health scare. Start making small, sustainable changes today. Talk to your doctor about aspirin therapy. Fill your plate with colourful fruits and vegetables. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Manage stress through mindfulness practices or spending time in nature. Remember, the best investment you can make is in your own health. And the good news is it doesn't have to break the bank.